In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Miro boards in Fullscreen while using Confluence. To start, head over to Miro.com and log in. If you already have a Miro account, simply click the login button. You'll be given the option to sign in with either your email or your Google account, which makes it super convenient. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Miro dashboard. Look for the board you want to open in Fullscreen and click on it. Now that you've selected your board, turn your attention to the top of the page and find the Export this board option. This is where you'll be able to grab the embed code you're going to need a little later. Choose the embed option from the drop-down menu. Once you select embed, look for the option to copy the embed code. This step is crucial as you'll need this code for the next phase, so make sure you've got it correctly copied to your clipboard. The next step is to switch gears over to Confluence. So go to your Confluence instance. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is to create a new page. Give your page a title, something clear and relevant, so you'll easily find it later on. This helps in keeping your Confluence organized. With your new page open and ready, you'll want to paste the embed code that you copied from Miro earlier. When you paste it though, there's a crucial step. You must remove the iframe element and its associated attributes from the code. This is important because without removing it, you might run into some limitations or unwanted behaviors in Confluence. Doing this adjustment ensures that your Miro board will integrate seamlessly into the platform. Once that's sorted, click on the Miro link you've just embedded. It should activate and be good to go. From here, you'll be prompted to embed it again. Click embed once more to proceed. After you've embedded the link, find the See Board option. Selecting this will open a display of your Miro board within the Confluence page. The final step to achieve that full screen experience is straightforward. Once your board appears, look for the option labelled View in Full Screen. Click on it and your Miro board will expand to fill the entire screen, providing you with a much broader perspective that's perfect for detailed viewing or collaborative work. And there you have it, a fully integrated and full screen Miro board experience within Confluence. This setup is especially useful for teams working on interconnected projects as it combines the strengths of both platforms seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.